Hey there, music lovers. In today's video, we're going to show you how to effortlessly discover your next favorite song using Chat GPT. So, let's dive right in. Imagine having a personal music guru who knows your taste inside out. Well, with Chat GPT, you can have just that. Just type in a message, like, "Hey, I'm in the mood for some electronic music," and Chat GPT will quite literally read your mind. Let's try it out. I'll send a quick message saying, "Suggest some melodic electronic tracks." And boom! Within seconds, Chat GPT responds with a tailored recommendation. Check out Midnight Memories by XYZ. It's an absolute banger. Amazing, right? But it doesn't stop there. Chat GPT can dig even deeper into your preferences. Just ask for specifics, whether you want something upbeat, calm, or even a specific music era. For example, you could ask, "Find me some upbeat electronic hits from the 90s? And just like that, Chat GPT suggests tracks like Around the World by Daft Punk or Insomnia by Faithless. It's like having a time-traveling DJ at your fingertips. But what if you can't remember the name of a song, an artist, or even a few lyrics? Don't worry, Chat GPT is here to rescue your memory. It can decipher your vague descriptions and help you rediscover lost gems. Host. For instance, you could write, "I'm looking for a pop rock song with the lyrics, 'She's so high, high above me.'" And voila! Chat GPT suggests, "She's So High" by Tal Bachman, exactly what you were thinking of. The possibilities are endless with Chat GPT. From discovering new genres to jumping down nostalgia lanes, it's your one-stop shop for music recommendations. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of this game-changing tool and let Chat GPT be your personal music oracle. Unleash the power of Chat GPT today and enjoy the wonders of effortless music exploration. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.